You now have a complete, customized study plan, a roadmap tailored to your goals, strengths, and challenges. But having a plan is only half the battle. The real difference between success and stagnation lies in your ability to follow through consistently. Anyone can be productive for a few days when motivation is high, but what happens when it fades? That's where habits come in. In this final lecture, we shift our focus from planning to doing, from setting intentions to building routines that last. We will find out how to make your study practices so automatic that they become part of your daily rhythm, like brushing your teeth or checking your phone. These are the habits that will carry you through exams, future academic challenges, and even your professional life. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to turn your study plan into a consistent weekly routine, use simple habit-building techniques to reduce resistance and build momentum, stay motivated even after the initial excitement fades. Now that you understand why habits matter, let's break down exactly how to build them, step by step, so your study plan becomes a natural part of your daily life. Make it automatic. Start small and specific. Don't wait for motivation. Build systems. Use clear habit cues such as, after breakfast, I'll review my flashcards for 10 minutes. Before dinner, I'll do one past paper question. Anchor these study habits to existing routines. Small, predictable actions are much easier to maintain over time. Track it visually. Use a calendar, a habit tracker app, or a wall chart to mark off every study session. Seeing your progress visually reinforces consistency, even if the session is short. Here's a helpful tip. Aim never to skip 2 study days in a row. 1 missed day is okay, but 2 can easily turn into a habit. Protect your time. Schedule dedicated study time as if it were a non-negotiable meeting. Avoid the "I'll do it later" trap by choosing a consistent time every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Let your friends or family know that this time is reserved for you. Establishing clear boundaries protects your momentum. Build in rewards and accountability. Pair your study sessions with small rewards, such as taking a break after completing a challenging topic, treating yourself after a productive week, enjoying a day off after finishing a round of mock test practice. Additionally, share your goals with a classmate or friend and set up weekly check-ins, whether by text or in person, to keep yourself accountable. Reflect weekly. At the end of each week, take a moment to reflect. What worked well? What didn't go according to plan? What adjustments should I make for next week? Remember, consistent studying isn't about perfection. It's about reviewing, learning from your experiences, and resetting for continual progress. The aim isn't to follow a perfect plan forever. It's to build habits that make smart studying your new normal. You now know how to create a plan, adjust it as needed, and maintain consistency. This system isn't just for one exam. It's a winning strategy you can use for every subject and every exam throughout your academic journey.